Capturing the past through historic photography. 1997 Honda Shadow Aero 1100, or retro-styled cruiser with a V-twin engine, popular for its classic looks. 1996 BMW or 1100 GS, one of the most popular adventure bikes, known for its rugged capability. 1995 Yamaha YZF 600 or Thundercat, a balanced sport touring bike with both performance and comfort. 1993 Triumph Tiger 900, an early adventure bike, great for both road and trail riding. 1991 Harley-Davidson Dyna Glide Sturgis, the first model in the Dyna line, known for its comfort and power. 1990 Ducati Supersport 900, known for its blend of performance and Italian style.